Hey guys, welcome to the channel. And today I'm going to bring you a very special device from OPPO, and this is OPPO A3Pro 5G. So today we are going to have a very simple unboxing and quick hands-on video. And today we get the 12GB RAM plus 512GB ROM edition, and it's the blue color. And also for this mountain blue color, it gets a leather material back panel. So next, okay, let's open this box. Let's check what's inside the box. So after we open the box, here the device is in front of us. It's well protected in a back protector, screen, smartphone protector. And first, let's check the accessories first. So under this, okay, here we find a transparent case, a soft transparent case of the smartphone, and also they include the quick start paper. So this is soft plastic case, and it's the transparent part and also blurred part, broken part. So this is very nice, but also it's not so high-end actually. And this is the quick start and warranty information, and also the battery safety information, and also they included the SIM card ejector, this part. And also here is the cable, and it's a type C to USB-A cable. Okay, it's a normal cable. Put it back. And okay, after the cable, yep, so we have the charger. So this is charger of the OPPO, and this time the OPPO A3 Pro uses the 5000 mAh big battery with a 67-watt fast charger. And for this time, the OPPO used the on-developed recovery battery technology. It can be recycled even after 4 years, and the recycle rate can keep at 80%. So this is very nice and new technology applied in this new device. And here, let's go to today's highlight: the OPPO A3 Pro 5G mountain blue color. And yes, for the back panel, I would say it's not so fashion, but it's a bit business style and low key. And also another main features we can find is it's very thin this time. Dimensions 162.7, 74.3, and 7.89 mm thickness. And the weight is only 177 grams. So this is very thin and light edition. And also you can find it's used dual rear camera system. The main one is 64 megapixel, and the portrait is 2 megapixel, and front 8 megapixel. And also for the camera zone, it used the concentrate circles. So the outside and inside 2 circles, they can decorate the camera very nice. And also we can find this also combined the leather material with a special glass on the back panel, and also very nice. And also this time for the framework, they use a diamond technology, so it can well protect the device. So do you still remember the first words that I used to describe this device? Is a very special device because it gets a very powerful anti-system, anti-water, waterproof, anti-drop proof, and also it's very durable device. So first we check the specification first. Yes, and this time they used the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 processor. It is 6nm processor. For screen, it uses 6.7-inch FHD plus OLED screen. Peak brightness reached to 950 nits, and it supports 100 Hz refresh rate and 240 Hz touching rate. And also it's the Corning Gorilla Victus glass and OPPO Jindu glass, and also passed the Switzerland SGS 5-star drop proof test, drop certification, and it passed like the IP69 rating. For the IP68, it means waterproof, drop proof, and dust proof. And according to some videos from other reviewers, it can 5 after you threw it from 4th floor. And here, let's go to the camera test first. Okay, very simple camera test, and this time for the camera, as I mentioned, is used the 64 megapixel main camera and 2 megapixel portrait dual rear camera system, and on the front one is the 80 megapixel. To be frank, the camera specification is not so good. It's not actually a flagship specification, but it works okay, so because this is a very cost-effective device, and also the main features I think is more focused on other parts. So the camera is okay, very acceptable. Yep. So okay, so this is the main features about the OPPO A3 Pro 5G edition, and this is the mountain blue color. And okay, now let's go to the waterproof test, and we can wash this phone and tap the tap and use the water to wash it. And so this is very simple IP68 rating test, and according to other reviewers, you can put it through the refrigerators, and up to 2 hours it still works. So it's extreme test. Or this time for the OPPO A3 Pro, they not only use the framework wall and also the glue is much better than normal devices. And here we have another color as well. It's called a bit light blue, and also the back panel is not leather mixed with glass. It's another shining glass. It's more fashion, and punch hole screen from front side, and it's also a cover screen. So which one you like, make comment and let me know your thought. But both are very nice and slim, thin, and light. So at the last, I think we can enjoy the sample pictures of the OPPO A3 Pro. Okay, thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned the video for more cool gadgets from here. Bye bye.